Today is Valentine's Day and I have absolutely no plans. You see me in all black? I'm going on the road to look on some lighting fixtures for my house. Apart from that, I have absolutely no plans. But I got surprised with some roses. Let me show you. Aren't they beautiful? I got other gifts. Let me show you the next one. But when I get back, I'm going to pull that one. And this is just a simple black dress. And I have my Coach bag. I haven't worn this in a long time. We need to give the Tourbridge bag a rest. Make up my rest, you know. Yeah, but I don't have any plans. I don't know. Maybe the day will just have me getting something to eat. I don't know. I don't know where it will take me. Cause as I said, I didn't make any plans for today. And to be honest, I'm not a Valentine's girly. Meaning in the sense where like I make reservations to restaurants and the whole shebang. No, I love accepting gifts, and that's just basically it. I'm not too fussy or worried about going out, and yeah, that's not it. Me just work with the flow, and anywhere the day takes me, I'll go with the day. But yeah, that's just it. The day around left me, it is so freaking late, and maybe we're not even catch the place. So I really don't know where this vlog is going to lead us. I don't know. But happy Valentine's Day, guys, and I hope you have a remarkable day. No, see there, 225. This is my Valentine's Day outing. Shopping. I look at dinner date and I look at nothing. I also am sad. I'm sad. I'm sad. I get jerk chicken. I also have some soup. I think me too like this. I think me too like this. And that is my shopping shenanigan. We don't know fruits don't have long lifespan. Them only last for a couple of days. This is my jerk chicken. This is a leg and thigh quarter. Spicy. These are the stuff that I got. I fix my camera. I get cherries. Blueberries that I never get last week. Them restocked this week. And this is a fruit that I've never tried. For some reason I think it was peach, but I know peach. I know peach at all. It's a nectarine. I don't know what is that. Peach cousin, peach uncle. I'm gonna definitely try this. What are all the fruits that I have today? Like, I love plum the most. The texture that it has, I just love it. Very good for me. And why the camera keep on a shift? Like, get it together, man. Yeah, we get watermelon. I only could afford a half. A rich people business. A rich people alone buy one melon. Can't afford it. And this was what? This is $1,927 for the half. Rich people business. We can't afford a whole melon. And grapes. Hope these are sweet. I don't know. I kind of cut off a grape these days because most of them will buy them sour. So that's like a disappointment. I like when the grape them sour. It's like a waste of money because I don't really eat them. No, so it's a waste of money. Yeah, so that's my Valentine's Day shenanigan. Me not outside, me inside. And yeah, me not red and white and the things them. But yeah, look cute. See them red and white. Everybody in love and just like one with themselves. The girls them come out and the guys them come out, and that's what I love too. Because a lot of men don't celebrate Valentine's Day, and not because you don't celebrate it. I think you should still take your partner out. Not because you don't do it, that don't mean that you don't want your partner to have a good time. I love that. I love to see the gentlemen them outside with them lady, and yeah, make them feel good. Yeah, because I'm not me myself not big on Valentine's Day, you know, like going out, having dinners, dressing up red and white. I'm not big on that, right? But I love to get gifts. I love to, you know, be surprised with gift. Not because I'm not going out. Yeah, I still want something. Not because I'm not gonna dress up in red and white. Yeah, I still want a gift. I still, yeah. Bless me up with something, man. So that's it for the night. That's a wrap. That's a wrap, guys. And yeah, I'm gonna drink my soup, eat my jerk chicken, and go to my bed. What there's to do? What there's to do? There's nothing else to do but eat my jerk chicken and go to my bed. Alright, so I'm gonna pull this and see what's inside. And I heard it's something that should help me with YouTube. I don't know what it is. Let's pull it and see what's inside. This lollipop, I haven't seen these in years. I remember going to school and I used to always buy these. Yeah, all right. It's a auto face tracking tripod. Oh my god. Oh my god. So every time I move, it's gonna just move with me. Okay, thank you very much. This is so thoughtful. This is a very thoughtful gift. I really love it and appreciate it. Now I need to figure out how to use it, how to set it up. I don't think it's rocket science. I know I should put the phone right here. Yeah, so that's easy. Get that out the way. And yeah, right here is the camera. Yeah, they have the two legs right down here. Yeah, I don't think it's rocket science. It's just to set it up. Yeah, I think it's pretty easy. Yeah, and it comes with the bag that I can put it in, and it's a storage bag, and the manual. You can read it to see how to set it up to get it working. And it comes with ring light. Yeah. Oh yeah, the ring lights are in this. Yeah. So it comes with two ring lights. I should say, yeah, 2 ring lights. Ooh. 2 of them. And a USB card. I think on back, see, back of the ring light, I have a little USB plug-in port. I have to figure out how to set it up. As I say, it's not rocket science, so it will be easy. And that's it. Thank you very much. I love it. I really love it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you in my next vlog. Like, I'm gonna try and see how I can set up this now. Yeah. We're gonna figure it out. Yeah. Okie dokie. Bye.